Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. I'm here with another video for you guys. Today I am just giving you a quick brow tutorial. So if you're interested on how I achieved these brows, then stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So here I am just brushing out my brows with my e.l.f. brow pencil. Everything I'm going to be using in this video is going to be e.l.f. Then I am going to take my angled brush from Kala. This is the only thing in the video that is not e.l.f. I am going to be taking that brush and I am going to be using my e.l.f. pomade in the color medium brown, and I am just going to be outlining my brows. I like to start on the tail end of my brow and really fill that in and follow my natural shape of my brows. Then I take whatever's left on the rest of my brush and use that towards the front of my brow. Once I'm finished with that, I take my e.l.f. brow pencil again and use the end of it with the spoolie and really blend it out to make it look more natural. Now I'm going to start on my left eyebrow and doing the same thing that I did on the right side. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, I had it upside down, and I am going to clean up my eyebrows with a flat brush. Once I have everything how I like it to look, I go ahead and buff it out with my finger. Sometimes your finger can be your best friend. I know I got some concealer there in my eyebrow, so I just take again my brush and whatever's left on it and fix it that way. Please excuse my nails, I am due for a fill and my rhinestones are falling off, so bear with me. Enjoyed that mini tutorial on how I did these brows. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video.